Y'all, thanks for tuning back into my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc, and I'm back on the track, period. So I'm here with a wig review, guys. This isn't a synthetic wig, but she is such a slay. I'm really feeling this unit for sure. So this is my first time working with this company, and I'm like real amazed at the quality, the hairline, everything like that. So let's get into it. If you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey. And while you down there, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. Okay? This wig was sent to me by IdefineWig. So this is my first time working with this company, and I am very impressed. This wig came this color, y'all. This unit came pre-colored. Okay, now I did have to now off camera I did go ahead and do a little bit more plucking to the lace, not too much, just wanted it to lay more naturally. So it does come pre-plucked, but I did do a little bit more plucking to it. I also plucked the part a little bit just to kind of make it look a bit more natural. Added some little wine curls, and here we are, girl. We is slaying. So this is real cute, you guys. I'm really feeling this one. So now this one is kind of like a T-part lace wig. You guys know what I'm talking about, where it's like, you know, lace and then there's like the part. This one, it's not really big head friendly because I'm not able to get it to lay, but I mean, you really don't need to. Do your middle part and get going. So this is the alternative that a lot of these companies are doing, especially, and I think this is very beginner friendly because, girl, you throw her on and go. Okay, so this one does come with an adjustable an elastic band inside of it, and it is adjustable and you can remove it. So I really like that part about it. So it has my wig very secure, you guys. So wig is not going anywhere. I don't even have it glued down or anything. So this is just, it was a plop and go after I did everything I did to it. And girl, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. The hair is so soft, you guys. I'm just running my fingers through it. There was some initial shedding off bat. I think it's just because I had plucked the lace a little bit. So the shedding is not too bad on this one. And the color is just to die for. I really like this color. I really like how soft this hair is. Girl, are y'all seeing this? So this is real cute. It's a really cute length too. I got her in the 18-inch. So I mean, curling up, she's gonna kind of do some little shrinkage. But y'all, this hair is bomb.com. So it is a low density. The density on here is it's like a medium density. I want to say, I'm not too familiar with densities because I don't really pay attention to it. I just notice when it's like a low density, but I would say this one is kind of average. So kind of an average feel. The hair texture is this is human hair, you guys, but the hair texture feels kind of like a Brazilian body wave. So it feels like a body wave. I did wash this hair before I installed it. I've been doing that because recently I haven't been, but with this COVID and Rona and all that stuff, with COVID running rampant, girl, we had to do what we had to do. So I washed the unit, which of course makes them more like popping, in my opinion. It makes it more popping, and that's what we like. Okay, so I definitely had to do that. And this unit, y'all, this unit is bae. I did a few little baby hairs to conceal the lace, and that was it. Now I do want to say, I don't know if I pointed out that she is not laying on my edges. So this is not a wig that you can lay, you know, from ear to ear unless you really tug on it. But honestly, still tugging kind of is very tight on me. So yeah, we just gonna keep her in the middle part, keep her real cute and simple, and she is good to go, girl. Like, this unit is beginner friendly, and this is for my baes who just want to throw on a wig and go. And this color is pre-colored, girl. Whew, love it. Bomb. I'm feeling like a redhead, like a ginger, and I think that's the color that is looking on camera, but it is very like copper. It's like a what's that color? I think it's a 350 kind of color. It's just really cute, you guys. Yeah, I'm feeling this one. This is a 10 in my book. I definitely approve. Okay, so let me know what you guys think down in the comments box, and as always, thanks for watching.